What if I told you that building a personal brand isn't about being Insta-famous, having 1 million followers, or even wanting to be in the spotlight? Pauses, raises eyebrows. In fact, the most powerful personal brands are built by quiet experts, passionate side hustlers, and everyday people who just figured out the simplest way to stand out. Smirks. And no, it doesn't involve posting 10 times a day or selling your soul to the algorithm. I used to think personal branding meant becoming a brand. Polished, perfect, totally not me. Laughs. But here's the secret. Your personal brand is just you dialed up to 11. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how to do that. No fluff, no jargon, just 7 stupidly simple steps. Raise your hand if you've ever felt like you're shouting into the void online. Compared yourself to someone with a perfect feed and thought, I'll never get there. Wondered, how do I even start? Leans forward. Yeah, me too, but here's the truth. Your brand isn't about being better than anyone else. It's about being unapologetically you in a way that attracts your people. Let's find them, shall we? 7 steps. That's it. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to uncover your secret sauce. Hint, you already have it. Talk to your dream audience without feeling salesy. Turn your quirks into your greatest asset. Yes, even that niche obsession with Bridgerton fan theories. Post smarter, not harder, even if you hate social media. And more. Grins, let's dive in. Step 1. What do people unintentionally come to you for? Pauses. Think about it. My friend Liz kept getting asked for budgeting tips. Even though she's a graphic designer, turns out her superpower was teaching creatives to manage money without spreadsheets. Laughs. Your superpower isn't always your job title. It's the thing you do so naturally, you don't even realize it's valuable. So, what's yours? People don't buy expertise. They buy stories. But here's the kicker. Your story isn't about you. Smirks. Mind blown yet? It's about how you solve their problems. Let's say you're a yoga instructor who overcame back pain. Your brand isn't, I'm great at yoga. It's, I'll help you move freely again. See the shift? Repeat after me. Done is better than perfect. Normal voice. You don't need a fancy camera or a hashtag strategy. Start with one platform. Post once a week. Share a tip, a lesson, even a fail story. Holds up phone. This 30-second clip of me burning pancakes got 10,000 views because it was real. Progress, not perfection, builds trust. Your brand isn't a statue, it's a garden. Prune what doesn't work. Experiment. Maybe TikTok isn't your vibe, but LinkedIn feels right. Pauses. And when you pivot, own it. I started as a productivity guru, then realized I'm actually here to help you quit hustle culture. Winks. Your people will stick around if you're genuine. Look, you don't need to overhaul your life tonight. Start small. Post one honest caption. Share a work-in-progress photo. DM someone who inspires you. Smiles. And if you're thinking, but what if no one cares? Trust me, someone needs exactly what you have. Let's find them together. You're one step away from standing out. Hit subscribe. Let's do this. Thanks for hanging out. Now go hit post. I'll be in the comments cheering you on.